Welcome. If you've recently joined several Facebook groups and find yourself bombarded with notifications, it's time to take control and turn them off. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to disable notifications for joined groups on the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the notifications icon. It looks like a bell. This will open a drop-down showing recent alerts. Next, in the upper right corner of this drop-down, you'll see 3 dots aligned horizontally. Click on these dots to access more options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This option will bring you to the area where you can customize what kind of notifications you receive. Within the Notification Settings menu, scroll down or search until you find the category labeled Tags. Click on it to open further details. Here, you will see a toggle labeled Joined Groups. This is the setting responsible for notifications when activity occurs in groups you've joined. Simply click on the toggle to disable notifications for joined groups. Once switched off, you will no longer receive alerts for posts, comments, or updates from groups you belong to. This helps declutter your notification feed and ensures you only get the updates that matter most to you. Take a moment to review other notification categories while you're here, as you might find additional settings worth customizing for a better Facebook experience. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and turn off notifications from joined groups on the Facebook app for PC. Enjoy a more focused and interruption-free time on the platform. Thanks for watching.